Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'll show you how to use keyframes in CapCut PC. Keyframes allow you to add markers throughout your video, enabling you to make various adjustments over time. We'll focus on transformations, specifically adjusting zoom and position. However, keyframes can also be used for blending and opacity adjustments. This technique is great for creating gradual edits that look more professional than sudden jump cuts. And here's how to get started. First, select your clip and drag it to the timeline. Now, go to Video and then go to Basic. Under the Basic settings, select Transform and expand it. Add your first keyframe. Decide where you want the first keyframe. Then click on this icon over here, which is the diamond icon, to add your first keyframe. The diamond icon will appear on the clip as well. Now move the playback cursor to where you want the next adjustment to occur. Then adjust the scale, zoom, or its position. You can either use the controls or directly manipulate the points on the video preview. Now move the playback cursor to the next point where you want to change and repeat the adjustment process. Smaller gaps between keyframes create quicker changes, while larger gaps result in slower, more gradual transitions. Now play back your video to see the effect of your keyframes. And once you add the initial keyframe, CapCut will automatically register that you're using keyframes so that you don't need to click on the button every time you make an adjustment. If you want the video to return to its original state, adjust the scale and position to their default settings by aligning the corner points and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.